How to mute stories notifications on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app in your Android from your Play Store. Now open it on your Android. You can see at the left top corner there are three lines. You have to click on it. Now click on this gear option. You have to scroll this far and you can see here privacy and settings. Just click on it, and at the last you can see story controls. You have to click on it and you can see new stories notification. By turning it on and off you can change this setting. Thank you so much. This is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.